Hello to the YouTube. I've had some complaints about my language and vulgarity on my channel. So what we're gonna do, I gotta move some shit around today. I'd like to get the model layout to work on it. So we're gonna try to do a video with no fucking swearing at all. So stay with me, I'll do my best. My potential goal for today is to get the body affixed to the chassis. You can see the doors are hanging down a bit. Everything's loosey-goosey. These bodies move around a lot, but when I chopped it, it was all good. So I know it'll go back, just a matter of fucking around. So that's what we're doing today. Now you can see by looking at that belt line that we're pretty bang on as far as door fit up goes. Looks good. And that was just from, I had to support the back to keep everything from moving around. And it lifted up a bit on this side, but I got it where I want it now. It's just a matter of locking it in place. So it's funny how much that moves. And it's likely all in this upper kind of area here. So what I'll do is tack in some reinforcement in there to keep this from moving and see what happens. And then we'll do the other side. So I don't know. What do you think? Good, bad, better, right? Let's keep going. Looking pretty good. I've got it where I want it on the body as far as front to back and side to side. I think I might have to put some tacks on it where it is, because every time now that I try to jack this up into position, it wants to wiggle around and go where I don't want it to go. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the welder out. I'm going to tack something on the bottom to keep the back from moving anywhere really, and the front won't really move because I've got it kind of locked in here with the notches. It's up about an inch or inch and a quarter right now because of the jack, but at least if I lock the back down, it'll keep it from shifting side to side or front to back, because that's kind of where I want it. You can see, if you can see, it's a pretty even gap there. Might be a tiny bit further back, but as the 4-link settles in, it will bring the axle forward a slight amount, not a bunch, not enough to hit. And same on this side, driver's side, sitting back a tiny bit closer to the rear. So that's kind of where I want it, because we don't want to have any clearance issues. I don't want to get back under there again and fucking fix shit. So I think we'll get the welder out and lock that rear in right where it sits. Bear with me. I'll make some sparks now. I got the back tacked up. It's getting late. I think it's bow time. We can finish this tomorrow. There's lots of time. Job well done. Also, I didn't fucking swear once either. See that? We'll do it more tomorrow. Less swearing tomorrow. Well, here we are. It's the next day. And sometimes when I'm sleeping, I dream about this stuff in my head, and it gives me ideas. So here's the idea I came up with. I've got a temporary screw jack on this side. I've got a floor jack on that side. I've got it up. I mean, it's quite a bit off the frame now, but you got to get it straight. I've got the doors fitting really well. We can even try it. Door opens. Closes, the belt line looks good. That's what you want. While I was sleeping, I was dreaming about this, and I think it's because there's only a couple screws on each side here holding that together, and that bracket is probably pretty flimsy. So I'm going to run a piece of square tubing from the back of the door right up and tie it into this main front tube in the corners. And presumably, if I tack it and clamp it and let it go and the doors don't go fucked again, then I was right. And if they do go fucked again, then I was wrong, and then we'll try something different. So let's do this. Okay, I've got one clamped in. The other one's just sitting here. I'll do it next. I had to do some pretty heavy, whoa, where's my focus? Had to do some pretty heavy notching to get it to fit in there right. Just to get around all this junk. Because I don't really want to take any, strength out of it. All I want to do is attach there. And then I clean some spots off here to stitch it on. We'll leave it clamped for now. We'll put a few tacks on there after, but let's do this side first, and time will tell. Looks pretty good, and so does the other side. Check this out. Wow. Except it's not what you think. I tried that method. I left the pieces in there, but I had to cut them loose up front here. It worked a little bit, but it drooped again. So I tried a different method. I turned my screw jacks over. I put them right at the hinge location pretty much. I clamped the front down tight to the frame, and I fucking screw jacked the shit out of them. And now I have, the doors are good. So that's pretty much the location. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to tack the front down. I'm going to tack the hinge location down. And the back is sort of already tacked down across there where my welding ground is. That's tacked down, but I'm going to put some more attachment points near the rear where the frame steps up there, just at that point. So 1, 2, and 3 locations, we're gonna lock that in, and that should be that. So I didn't show you all the fucking around I did because nobody wants to watch me do that. Do you even want to watch me talk about it? I don't think so. So I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna do my best to get these tacked down, and if that doesn't do it, that'll do it. Don't worry. We'll get it eventually. Looks good though. Looks real good. Okay. Well, I've got it where I want it. The doors are looking good. I'm going to put a piece of tube in there, well, to the frame and to the body. I've got that mounting bolt. I put a piece of heavy angle underneath there that I'm going to weld to the frame to keep that spot in the same location, both sides obviously. And I'm going to weld the front of the body to the frame. Everything's just going to be stitch welded for now until I am 92% sure that it's going to be in the right spot. But I'm pretty happy with how the doors are closing now. Ouch. The belt line is the key. Everything looks good. Both sides are the same. The body is straight on the chassis. So let's get to welding. Let's fucking do this. It's official. The body is on the chassis. And the doors work. The belt line is good. Everything is as it should be. And it looks kick-ass. If I do say so myself, it looks fucking kick-ass. But we're not swearing today, so none of that sort of talk. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Keep posted for more. I'm going to put the engine in place. That's my next step. This is the engine. 1951 8BA Ford flathead. She runs. She's ready to go. Can't wait to see it in there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bessie Custom Fab. Rock and roll. Let's do a little up and downsies.